banana tree stripped. What I take right here, so you know, say if we don't work on this like a footbridge right here, this I gonna go very soon. Alright, so some persons would measure Hurricane Gilbert with this Hurricane Melissa that we recently had. They said when Gilbert hit, you could see pure stones on the mountain. But you know, so we actually see some stones. You see stones and you see dirt. So them they're right there, so a stone. And you see some flat area where pure tree was. So you know it's not normal. Your breeze. You hear that, right? The breeze a whistle. That sound like a little picnic I make nice. But it's the breeze that is whistling. And we're in there somewhere over down there, so. We're in there somewhere over in there. We're in a little weeding. Yes, so we're here on the farm. So yeah, we are here on the farm. We are doing a little brush through and are between the pineapple plants. So yeah, the grass grow like crazy, so we not, as mentioned from before, we don't normally spray, but I think this time we'll try spray. At least we try spray some. And before we don't normally, we never give them Pioneer manure or fertilizer or anything like that. But when they see how the summer heat they do it, right? And in mid-October we gave them mostly manure, and some of them get little fertilizer how they have to try bring them back, because you know, remember how then they stayed and they look real bad, burn up and something. So yeah, as them they come up and look nice, so which as you can see them here, them one here no look too bad. As them they come up and look really nice. The hurricane whack them some of them. So yeah, as me show you, the hurricane kinda bend up some of them. Some of them they ring out the heart completely. And some with the recently plant and take out them the hurricane take out them the outer dirt. But we just have to try do what we can do and see how best we can try come back on track and even better. And 1 and 2 pine was in the field, you know, because you know, so the summer heat out their face wasn't normal, and some heat normally push out pines. Some of them they will lose them. Yeah, I remember so when they just come the first time, they cut off some, but me they go up by top. Yes, a lot of work to be done. But we just have to take with time, do what we can do.
But you know, saying then I look so bad, you know, kind of between.
Yeah, look at rain.
The rain will fall, kind of
Yeah.
freshen them up. Salt from the sea. Come when the breeze blow, the salt from the sea. So you grab through them and tie up back. You have to go get to a harbor, sorry, remake the harbor. And probably trim it.
Yeah.
So let's do a cocktail. Well, let's do what I mean because the food situation we're going to have ahead that way now. So let's see what I mean. So then germinate there. So 2 days from now, then can plant.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Yes, some pop chow or pop chai seedlings. They're seedling it. Yeah, so we saw some pop chai seeds. And yeah, they might pop up real nicely. We have a few callaloo over here, so just a few.